Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a array into a linked list. So if we just have a regular array like 1, 2, 3, I know I've been using 1, 2, 3 for all my examples, but it's quite simple and it also works. So let's just say we had a regular array like 1, 2, 3 and we want to convert it into a linked list with the class I have up here. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys the steps. First what we're going to do is we're going to convert it into an array of list nodes, and it's just going to be 1, 0, like this. So this is the first step. We're going to convert it into an array of list nodes, and each next is going to be 0. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to merge them together. So the next thing it would give is it would give this, but we would have merged these two together, so this goes to that. So what ends up happening is we just get this, and then finally we merge it all together, and basically we're just combining the second last and the last element. This goes into this, we delete this, then this goes into this, and we delete this. So if I show you guys like this, we're just going to put that there, and this is going to turn into that, and we're going to finally get our return list now. And then we can just return item 0 in the list of list nodes of here. So I'll show you guys how to code this. It's pretty simple. Let's just call this list array, and it's 1, 2, 3. So as you know, the first step is to convert them into a list of list nodes like this. So let's create that list here, var list node list, like that, and we'll say it's an array of list nodes. For item, we'll just say for number in list array. Let me separate this. List node list dot append list node value number next 0. So very simple here. If I print this now, not list array, print list node list, like that, we should just get the same thing we have here. It's not going to show it here because it's a class, but we basically just got this here. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be merging the last item and the second last item until this list count is only 1. So you can put this in a while loop. While list node list dot count is not equal to 1, we're going to combine this into this. So let's create a let last item. And to get the last item in a list, all you have to do is you have to get the list's count and you minus 1. So that's the last item. And then we have to move this item into this. So to get the second last item, we have to do list node list. Let's get the count, and instead of minus 1, we do minus 2. That gives us the second last item, which would be list node 2, and then we just set this is equal to dot next is equal to last item, like that. Okay, and then the final thing to do was never used. Okay, let's just ignore that. Now the final thing to do is to remove this. So to do that, what we do is we just do list node list dot remove that, and then for the index we're just going to use the last item. So this is the index of the last item, so we'll just remove it there. So yeah, that's all we're doing here, and you'll see each time it gets the last item, merges it into this item, which creates this, then gets this last item and merges into this. And this is the advantage of it all being a single object. We can just move them around without having to worry about if it gets separated. So yeah, now that you've done that, and since we're repeating if the count is 1, when the count is 1, we can just print list node list 0, or we can create a new variable. That's probably the better idea. So we'll just create a new variable, linked list is equal to list node list 0. Now let's just print linked list like that. I don't think it's going to print, it might, but yeah, it's just going to give us that. So what we can do is we can just check it by checking all the values. So the first value is 1. This is basically what we have, and to check the next one, we just do .next .value. This should give us 2. Yep, 2, and then we do next .value should be 3. Yep, and finally if we do next .value, it's going to give us nil. Next should give us nil. Yep. Okay, so that's how you convert it into a linked list. So this is how you convert this list array into this linked list. First we convert all the items into a list of list nodes, and then we just merge them back and back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future tutorial. Bye!